guys, welcome back to my channel, What Goldie Loves. And today I am going to be unboxing my new ring light. So stay tuned. I've been doing videos now for about 7 to 8 months. And where I was living before, I had natural lighting. The light just came through the window and my videos turned out beautifully. So, but now that I have moved, I have to get a ring light because I have no natural light here. So I have a new ring light that I am going to assemble just for you. So when you purchase yours, you'll know how to do it. Okay, I've already taken everything out of the box. Now the box did come with directions, the installation of the light, and it also came with everything that should be in the box. That's very helpful. Okay, so I'll start with the stand. Here's the stand, and the stand comes in this box. It's at the very bottom of the box, so do not throw the box away once you pull the ring light out. The ring light actually comes in this black bag. So you take the ring light out, and the name of this ring light is IVISII. I'm gonna be honest with you. I bought this ring light by mistake. I had been researching ring lights, and there was two that I was really interested in, the Spectrum and the Newer. And as I was on Amazon searching for the ring light, my eye got focused on the price. And this, I think I paid like $80-something for. I can't really remember, but I know the price caught my eye. And I read the description, and it looked like the description was the same as the Newer light. And so I hit the send button for the purchase. I hit the purchase button. So when I got it in the mail, I was totally surprised. I was like, when I pulled the bag out, I noticed that the bag didn't say Newer. And my sister has one, and I've been looking on YouTube, and all the Newer lights had the word Newer on the bag. And I said, well, I wonder why my bag does not have the word Newer. So then I did some research, and I picked this up, and I said, well, this doesn't even say Newer. So I went to YouTube, and I researched this light to get some reviews. That's my puppy right there. To get some reviews. And so this is what I have, and I'm praying that it's just as good as the other ones. So let's start with me setting it up. So, okay, I've already unscrewed it, so you have to unscrew this thing here. And then you flip this all the way around. And then you can have, and this is pretty strong too. Okay, I was impressed. It was very strong. And you just set it to where you want it to be. Okay, so I'm going to set it here. Tighten this up. Got to be strong. Tighten this up. And now it's locked in place. Okay? I'm going to bring this back down because my ceiling fan, I don't want the ring light to hit the ceiling fan. So I'm going to do this right about here. This don't work. I push it all the way down. Okay, all the way down. All right. So now I'm going to set this ring light on top of. Yes, so it can fit nice and comfortably. Did you see that? Did you see how that fell down in there? So you have to unscrew this a little, the knob, to make sure that it goes right in there. Alright, tighten it up there. Alright, it's good and tight. Now this ring light does flex back and forth. You can bring it forward. I'm gonna tighten this a little bit. Okay, I guess this is to tighten the motion of the ring light so it won't be floppy and flipping back and forth. Okay, so now you see it's in place. It's in place. Okay, so now I am going to attempt to find out where this needs to be plugged up at. Okay, so you stick this in there. Okay, and then you turn that. Okay. All right, then I have this cord here. Okay, and then you have this. Put this in here. Sit it on the floor gently because it's heavy. Let's see. All right. Okay, so plug it in. Oh, and so let's see. I don't know if oh, there it goes. Look at that. Ah, shucks now. Ah, shucks. So now that it's on, okay, look at that brightness. It gets really bright. Wow. And then it gets really dim. You can set it to where you want. And then here on the back, now this is the light that I'm pushing, the dimmer light. And you know, that's how I'm adjusting it. And then this is also the power light, so turn it right off. Okay. Okay, so now that we've got the power on, these attachments also came with it. It's for different lighting. If you want a softer tone lighting, you can add these orange ones on. And 4 of them came with it. And so what you do is you pull these off. I'm not going to pull them off, but you pull them off and you replace them with this. So right now I'm going to turn this light off because I'm blinding my cameraman. So this also came with these 2 different, what are they called? Hot shoes. Okay, and they slide up in here to hold your phone or your camera. I do believe that this one is to hold your camera because there's really no mobility. And this one is to hold your cell phone. And you can actually move that around, which is cool. So your cell phone is just not locked in one place. So I'm going to attempt to put this in here. I don't know why this unscrews at the bottom. I don't know whether, so let's see if I can slide. Oh, it did. It slid right in there. Okay, so then I could just tighten that up. Okay, cool. All right, and this is to sit your, this is to put your cell phone in. Okay, does it stretch any further? Because, okay. So then you screw this on here. And I can't actually put my cell phone in here because my husband is actually holding it to film this. So hopefully this can, there we go, nice and tight. So I usually, yes, so I like to lay my phone down horizontally to film my videos. Eventually I'm going to get me a camera. But for right now, I'm using the cell phone. All right, so this is pretty much it. And again, the on and off is here. And then we have the bag. This also came with it. I'm not sure what this is for, but I will figure it out later. So anyway, I hope that this was helpful to you. This is an 18-inch ring light. And the name of it again is IVISII. I'm sure that there is a more proper name for it, but I don't know what it is yet. So I'm just reading what I see. Okay, so I will leave the code for this in the description in case you want to purchase one. It is very sturdy. It was, and price-wise, it was less than the other ones. I would like to try the other ones as well. But I'm going to come back with a review on how I like this light. All right? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you the next time. Okay, guys, I'm going to cut all the lights off in my house. I do have the ring light on. I can say that right. All right, there it goes. With all the lights in my house are completely out. And this is the ring light. It's very bright. So I'm hoping that it captures me the way that I should be captured. All right, have a nice day. Peace.